Welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna go over to the Freedom Factory, grab the old Burnout truck, check it out, check everything over, make sure it's good. And then at the same time, we're gonna bring it back here and just if there's anything else we need to do to it, we're gonna look it over, which I know we got a few things to finish up on it. And then we're gonna get our frame ready for powder coat, hopefully get a little bit of that done. And then hopefully mess with these mini trucks a little bit. We've got a freaking pond out here. Literally my house is a swamp right now. It's insane. We've got so much rain the past couple weeks. Don't forget, guys, head on over to baldeagle.com, grab you some JH merch. For the rest of the month of September, you can enter for a chance to win one free nitrous kit in every order. Every day, we're giving away one free nitrous kit in a random order throughout that day. So don't forget, head on over to baldeagle.com, grab you some JH merch, hats, shirts, it's all on there. Again, guys, thank you for the support. Hope you guys enjoy the video today. Come on, girl. You got it. Push her on out. Push it out of there. Let's, oh! My damn truck just had a baby. Dude, what are the odds? I've literally got the smallest cab over and like one of the biggest cab overs. Dude, what are the odds? We have the biggest cab over just about I think you can buy. And then you got a little one. My truck just had a freaking baby over here, okay?
Needs a little extended cab on the back. I guess that gets an extended cab when it gets bigger as it grows up.
This is pretty cool. I'm not a cab over fan by any means, but I like my cab overs. 4-wheel drive, 6-wheel drive, and dude, the top of the roof comes up to the bottom of the window on that thing. That's so funny. Who would have thought? I didn't even notice it. Just having a little bit of fun, guys. We got cab overs for days over here. Don't be jealous. Dude, this thing is a freaking swamp right now. We're trying to get this car running because we're going to be doing a science experiment today. We're going to prove to you that you need nitrous kits.
This is why Florida man wears Crocs.
They are literally the ultimate work boot and swamp boot.
Universal.
So we're going to test out some nitrous on this car. And let's see how she runs.
It's going to be perfect.
If it gets out of here. I don't even know if it can get out of this car. Oh, idiot. Might want to unhook those cables. Let's start her up. It ain't been started in a minute. See her running pretty good? I just hope the truck and the car gets out of here. Because this stuff turned into some...
Four-wheel boosted launch.
4-wheel boosted launch rear, yes. Oh my God. Come on, man. Dude, we're bogging in the yard. Oh yeah. That's gonna ride great later.
So the truck had a little bit of a struggle getting out there in 4-wheel drive. So far the Crown Vic's not even moving. You gotta be kidding me. She ain't got no traction.
We might as well put old girl to work. See if we can pull something out with this rig. I think it'll work. All right, so now that we got our test car here, we're gonna show you why you need to go to baldeagle.com this month, order some JH Diesel merch, and possibly get you a free nitrous kit. Every day, they're giving away a free NOS nitrous kit. You need one for any vehicle you own. We're gonna show you the difference here. So here we have a Crown Vic, 2000 something, and it still runs. We have our manual water pump going because something's broken, but let's see if it does burnout. Let's see how a burnout does without nitrous. All right, we're gonna try this again, see what it does now. We locked the rear end in. Oh yeah. Hit. No brakes, we're on the tree. All right, you guys see what we're doing there. Now let's set some nitrous in this rig and see what happens.
But we don't have a nitrous kit.
We don't have a nitrous kit, but we have nitrous bottles. So we're gonna set those up, and we're gonna
baldeagle.com. Got me a nitrous kit.
We're gonna show you why you need the kit over why you don't need the kit, because this is gonna be good. Remember, guys, safety first at JH Diesel.
Always safety first. No more burns. See what the difference is. Give her a go.
You okay?
Oh yeah. Hey, that's heavy.
Oh yeah.
That's what you needed.
So, as you guys can see the difference, or can't, between nitrous and no nitrous, just think if you win this kit on baldeagle.com, how much better your car is going to be. This one freaking loves it.
Never ran better in her life.
NOS systems, we blow tires. Well, we're here at the Freedom Factory. We're gonna jump this thing off and see if she still runs. She did run when we left. Let's hope it still runs right now. Might be charged enough. Let's check it out. Yeah. Alrighty. Running. A little bit of water. She's running. Let's go. We're gonna change tires out and drive her home. Well, I guess we'll attempt to drive her home, huh?
See how she goes.
Tailgate's popped out a little bit.
Wonder why.
Wall tap was a little
I'll tell you, the bumper.
aggressive.
I don't know what happened. Something happened to the bumper.
The wall tap was a little
I
aggressive.
pull a trailer weird now.
Yeah. All right, let's rip home.
Sure, baby girl still burns the tires. Looks like it'll still spin the tires. That's a good thing.
old girl is still running. Made it back to the house. No complaints. Turbo's still good. Got a lot of soot and nastiness on this thing from sitting outside the Freedom Factory. But on the way back, it still did rip a burnout, even though we do have a slight little hole in one of our boots. But as you guys saw, she can still burn them. So that's a plus. We don't have to put an engine in this thing after the freaking burnout. Pretty awesome. Fared pretty well. The only damage really was the bumper. Possibly the frame is bent. I'm not sure on that. There's a slight possibility. Yeah, there's a small possibility of that happening. But the bumper's pushed over pretty good, so.
Hard to tell because the back tires are narrower, so when you're driving.
Yep, no, bumper's pushed over, but other than that, looks like we're all set to go. So, we'll a couple more small repairs. We are going to put a fast fuel system on it. I didn't have time to do that before the event, so we're going to put a fast on it. And then we got a couple small things like water meth injection, that kind of stuff to throw on there. But so far, super happy with the new setup. It's running great. Hopefully at the Freedom Factory, we'll really be able to let it rip, blow some tires, and get her done. Thanks, guys, for watching the Jay Cecil channel. We'll see you next time.